Hey guys, what's up? It's me Hacks, coming with another game update. This time I've got more 3D stuff, which is what I mostly did. And I got some more stuff animation-wise for the code. I also worked a little bit on the settings menu. I'm gonna work on some more on that. Yeah, it's like the majority of what's left is just animation, which I mean, it's not that I don't like doing it. It's just that it takes time to get it the way you like it. But once you have it the way you like it, it's done, right? But ugh, you have to be in a certain mood to do it. But modeling is much more fun, so that's what I'm gonna start doing more instead of animation. So, that's not bad. That's not bad. You can see I started doing Rowan here. He's almost done. I started him yesterday actually, and he's almost done already, which is yeah, that's awesome. I also finished Dan, so he's done. I still have to rig him, but for now I'm just gonna model everyone because that's easier. So yeah. And animation wise, I figured out how to put how do you say, different skeletons on the same logic. I guess that's the way to say it. So for example, Joe has, a human skeleton, and everyone else still has the old Unreal Engine skeleton. But now when you change it, you can use a different character with a different skeleton, with a different set of animations, and it'll still have all the same logic as it would if it were the same skeleton. So there you go. Yep, and that will work the same way for the battle system too. So if you go here, Rowan is T-posing because I haven't put it in. But Dan is not because I put his on the default thing. So there you go. So I just have to make the models for the monsters and the animations for the monsters. But it's really not so bad because really, for the overworld, there's 3 animations. There's idle, there's walking, and there's running. Then for battle mode, there are, I wrote it down here. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3. There's 7 animations. Really, and for enemies, there's not 7. There's only 6, because that includes a victory animation for when you win. So, not terrible. Not terrible. So yeah. And to implement that, I'm using this new feature called templating. What is it? Instance template, where you can put all the logic in, and then you can assign it to a skeleton. And then in that skeleton, you can choose what animation you want for the state. So that's pretty cool. So yeah. I also added something to the shop, but it's really, can't really see it, so yeah. I'm trying to think what else. I think that's it. So yeah, once I model the 7 main characters, I think I'm just gonna start doing monsters and working on the battle system and just getting that up to snuff, because there's a lot of monsters. But a lot of them are simple, like a slime. Like that's pretty simple. A lot of them are humanoids, so I can just use the base human sort of model I got already. Some of them are like birds and stuff, so that might be a little more challenging. But yeah, it won't be too bad. yeah, so I think once I get all 7 done, I'll re-release the demo again, so you can just walk around with whoever you want. And then maybe I'll do like a monster update when I get a couple done. Because each one, there's like classes of monsters, so like there's slimes, there's beasts, there's humanoids, there's demons, there's elementals. And for example, the slimes all share the same skeleton. They pretty much look the same with a different color. So that would be easy to implement. So yeah, I think that's where I'm going to go. Story-wise, I'm thinking I'll have to learn how to use sequencer to make cutscenes. But other than that, I mean, and then I have to make all the environments. So I might do that at the end. Just because it's like environments. Whereas battling, it's a lot easier. Because I only need one model. And then I just need a couple animations. And I'm good. So yeah, that's where I am. Oh, I didn't tell the settings menu. I ordered a borderless option. That's literally all I did. I'm gonna make this a bar though. Like, I'm gonna change it to be like this menu more. I think, where it's more like this. I think that'll look a little bit better than this. But yeah. So yeah, that's where I am with the game. Hoping to have more models done. Animations I can't promise. Also want to go on vacation, so I can probably do more modeling over there. Animation probably not. Modeling, yeah, maybe. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll have some more next time.